Hey, yummy!
No? Coco Crunch. Kasi na ikaw, Coco Crunch. Ray-ray.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What up mga kabangs? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new vlog. So for today guys, we will have a
Mukbang.
street food mukbang! Yeah! So street food mukbang plus choosing between two things. So I asked some of my friends to send me a video clip about letting me choose between two things. So let's start. Okay. So we have here, what is this? We have here
Kikiam.
no, it's not kikiam.
Fishball.
Fishball. Yeah, fishball. Then we have also squid
Squidball.
squid roll.
Squid rolls na siya. Delicious squid.
Squid roll. And then we have kikiam. Then tempura. This one, tempura. So, muna siya guys. So, mas introduce mo.
One, quick.
Okay. Of course, we have also quick. And then we have also here
Potato.
One eternity later.
potato spiral.
Chips.
Oh yeah, potato chips. And then we have also, saan niya mads? What is this? Tinai in Cebuano. What is this? Kani siya, basta crispy siya nga tinai. And then we have also, what is this? Siomai. Yeah, siomai. Then we have also, what else? Of course! Balut. Okay, number 16 and number 18.
Ang saan ang gusto mo number?
Ako 16 ko.
18 ako.
Okay, dili ko makaderog ka na ng number 18. Murag balahibo na. Ikaw gusto sa'yo nila. And then, of course, we have here ice for our, soda. So, let's start! In 3, 2, 1, let's go!
First is ang Coke.
Coke
Compliments
adds life. Yes. By the way, guys, I just want to flex to you guys. Owen's crib. Yeah, it's very cozy, and then
they can't see much of it, okay? Naraman tayo, we are only behind sa
cozy.
walls ako.
Cozy, tapos
And then, dili lagi pare itong baso, day.
lagi ko wala dyan kayo kung ano uniform meeting. This, squid roll.
Ako ay first pick kanina. I love this one.
Squid roll.
Ay, pumunta naman.
Ganyan.
Ano ba? Ano?
Ay, ala. Pabitas ako kaduha. Pamanistik ilang kuan ko eh. Sumay. Hey, yummy! Basta street food gani. Basta street food na gani. Murag maglaway ta, no?
And then,
Potato
spiral.
Spiral.
Spiral na madura. Grabe.
Ako din ang baso nga taas, uy. choosing, let's have this choosing between two things segment. Kabala kaya? Choosing between.
Kangkuan lang, kabayang muna.
Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start with my friend as well as my colleague. My Badzai, the Chile Garciano. Actually, she sent me 3 video clips. So 3 video clips. The first one is
makeup shouldn't be missing in your pouch. Lipstick or eyebrow pencil.
A question I cannot answer because
ikaw na. Asa? Huy! Okay.
Confuse me.
Okay, lipstick or eyebrow. Okay. Of course, I will go for, of course, eyebrow. Yeah.
Ano man? Anong eyebrow mo?
Eyebrow.
Kay kilay
is life. Yeah, kilay is life. Ang kilay mo is makadefine siya sa imong face, diba? Out an eyebrow. So, diba?
Yeah.
So, eyebrow pencil is more significant compared to lipstick.
Even if your lips go pale, okay lang.
Yeah, okay lang. I'm not into lipstick, mapod. Makilip tint ko, I'm into lip tint, you guys. So, Badzai, of course, I will choose eyebrow pencil. How about you?
Ako papilihan lipstick ako.
Lipstick, mo naman.
Lipstick ako pala delete ka.
So, lipstick ka kaya no? Because you already have perfect eyebrow.
Yeah!
You get perfect eyebrow. Kwek-kwek ng bayan.
Murag orange dahil. Orange or quick-quick?
Orange.
Ano yun? How come I have the smaller one?
That is 5 pesos.
Pareha lang dahil. Ay, pero gilay-ilay mo namin palit, no? Katong kayo nakatuloy to sa...
Tag 10. Tag 10 ka, tag 5.
Murag ka ng kiat-kiat, orange siya.
Nami sa ketchup ko eh. Nami kayo guys.
Okay. Mura siya quick-quick.
So another from...
Hi, Auntie Chillen.
Hi, Badzai! Shout out. Okay.
Best place for a date? Beach or malling?
Best place for date? Ako I'll go for malling. Sa mall, di ba?
Yan ang malling mo.
Pag mall bang god, kaya nahawi kapilian, di ba? Mag-movie, dinner date,
Hindi na pwede
like
na
that.
ma-discover.
Di bali sa mall bang god, kaya daghan na kayo mabuhat, di ba?
Para siya one-stop shop.
Although, I love beach also, but then again, since best
shop.
place for date, of course, I'll go for mall. Malling. How about you? How about you?
Beach, yung mas tipid mong beach kasi mag-look ba?
Okay, next. Another from Badzai. Last na niya.
Okay. So if you go for shopping, what would you choose first? Is it a shoes or top?
Shoe or top? Of course, top. Mas hooked ko sa top. Di ba, mas? Kamantay ka sa una? Aside nga, mas barato ang top kaysa shoes, di ba? Mas dahil ako ma-attract sa mga tops or ilang nice na yun na, di ba? Kaya ang shoes mo good kay pamatagalan mo lang shoes. Na murag dugay mo siya ma-replace. Whereas kung tops kay may ilis-ilis biya ka everyday. How about you?
I can even last a year with only 1 pair of shoes.
Perfect. Next.
And then, pero pag t-shirt, of course, you really need to have different designs of t-shirts. Of course, di ka gusto nga, for example, balik-balik ka niyan t-shirts. But that is what happening to me right now.
So, kasi next month,
See, go on next.
from Bayang, Maria Victoria Tubases, the beautiful.
Guapa.
Okay.
Girl, panty or boy legs?
Panty or boy leg? Okay. Ha! Ang boy leg is, kada bitaw siya, mura siya semi-panty, semi-cycling. May
So,
yan
mga
bitaw.
babae na siya nga mga.
Boy leg, yes. Boy leg ba yan?
Nga
Boy
boy leg man
leg.
dahil.
Kay, ang boy leg man good kay, mura siya ka ng, mura bitaw ma-compress ang iwang butt. Tanan bitaw.
Yung murag ka na.
Ma-compress daw.
Murag ka ng shape to the body.
Shape, ma-shape yung mukha niya. Pag ikapon niyo yung butt, mura siya bigot sa back.
Okay. Sige, man.
Like that. Next.
Next is...
This is from Sisi Gref Dani Cabasol.
Oh.
Hi there. Sissy, are you ready? The fast talk question. What's your favorite position?
Ganahan ko niya question. So, sama ni oy.
I think that's only for those who have given up their chastity.
Okay. Position? Ano position mads? Position.
Ay, bali, ano lang.
Basta dito
na lang. Way up, way down. Ano lang. Way up, way down.
Okay, way up, way down. So, ako no kay... Actually, all of the above.
Diba? Para like exploration.
Para, dili siya monotonous bitaw.
Ano naman, sa life man good, of course, and like, different problems need different solution.
Okay.
So, for example, if only that solution can solve the problem, then why not go for that one, diba?
Pwede kong up, pwede kong down, pwede kong side, diba? Ikaw,
So,
up, raday ka permanente.
asa to pa?
Alam biya na, mukon biya ka, mo explore biya ka bisag unsa, diba? But we're not talking of what you are thinking right now.
Ay, so sa ito pa di, we are living by the belief that life is like a wheel. It has ups and downs.
Yeah. Lagi na siya. Alright, Sisi. I hope satisfied ka sa akong answer. Kani. Isa man ni Mads.
Ay,
Isa man eh.
si Alphonse.
Okay.
Si Alphonse. Hi, Alphonse.
You look at the video.
So, what's up, ni? So, here's my question. If you are given a special kind of power, what are you going to choose? The ability to read the minds of every person? Or the power of teleportation? Meaning, you can go wherever you want to go in just a blink of a second. So, what's your answer? And why? Okay.
Kaya siya mga question, no? Dili ko pang...
Extraordinary.
Kaya siya mga Okay. So, if I would to choose, of course, the power of teleportation. Diba? The power of teleportation. Because I don't need to have a power to read every person's mind. It's their life. So, i-grab na nako opportunity, the power of teleportation. Since naman kay power of teleportation, so you can travel around the world. Because I have this dream to have coffee and breakfast in Paris, France, and then lunch.
Santorini.
Have my lunch in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Sa akong sister. Yeah, and then, of course, have my dinner in Santorini, Greece. Diba? Because after dinner, less sa Santorini, no? Nagdala ko lang sa salida lang ito.
The place is just perfect. Labi lang ilang mga lighting bitaw. I think it's really the lighting effects.
Yeah. So, of course, the power of teleportation. How about you?
Ako kay kuan gyapon, teleportation gyapon.
No? Opportunity na magunato, no?
For example,
because everyone is dreaming to travel around the world.
Yes. If you get the chance to...
Yeah, why not?
If ako, patubagon mga ko Magdiigib ko ni mong fancy romance. Pero magdiigib lain kaayo sa bukok niya. Ako naman kahal.
Sige, sagad mo na, Besh.
Yung sa mind sa other people, di ba? But of course, at some point, you would really ask yourself, what are those people thinking about me, di ba? But I think that is less fascinating to have that power than to have the teleportation, because you can go anywhere you want, di ba? And then I think that is everybody's wish or dream to be able
everybody's dream
to go to different places as much as possible, every corner of the world. And that makes me wonder why we're calling it corner where the world is round. So,
alright, very good.
Very nice question.
Nini, did we answer your question? Wilfred Vicente. You know him? My colleague also. My friend.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, I'm just kidding. So Joms, hi. So this is my question. 2 questions. Number 1, what do you suspect people say about you behind your back? Second question, and I hope you will answer this with all your heart, truthfully and undoubtedly. Second question, which is the last question. What's something you consider too daring to try? Okay? Bye!
Question ko nun is, what do you suspect other people
Won't talk about me?
or talk about you behind your back, okay? And then the second one is that, ano po yung second?
Press ako ano mo siya? Attitude siguro na ako?
Attitude siguro sa
I think,
nakaka-over ka artimas.
Di ba ko over? I'm not that over nga artimas. Kana ako card ano kung imo siyang i-equal lagi sa standard nga kanang limpyada, wala na mads. Siguro ikaw dili na judge ka manlimpyo.
We're not talking about time.
Yeah.
Second question.
Ito yaha oy. Don't get to try ito.
With all your heart.
Ayo.
Something you could see her to daring to try.
Kana bitang skydiving.
Skydiving.
Yeah. Kana skydiving Jones. How about you?
Daring to try. Kana siya, kana
skydiving, no?
Dili skydiving mo, skydiving na lang po ako. Daring to try.
Sige, magpalahi.
To try.
Nanggali naman hindi kaya mo.
Posting
sexy photos.
Oh, sexy photos.
Really?
Daring
You are doing that recently. This is okay from my ate in Canada.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, hi there, Riva. Halang anong apil-apilon magyud ko aning choose between two things, oy. Okay, here you go. I know you love dogs, right? And in fact, imuhang dog imo siyang gina-birthdayhan, which is kind of weird to me, but I totally respect that. Also, I know you love your boyfriend. Okay, but suddenly imuhang boyfriend nagka-develop siya og as in severe allergic to dogs, right? So kinsa man imong pilion, imuhang boyfriend or ang imuhang dog? Good luck sa imong answer and be careful sa imong answer. Okay?
What do you think is my answer?
I think
If you really know me, what do you think is my answer?
I think we have you love both, right?
Yeah,
you love both. But of course, you actually give different kinds of love, diba? I think after all, it's your boyfriend, not really the dog.
Actually, ate, yung pangutan na grabe ka simple. Simple na kaayo. Okay, simple na kaayo. Of course, ray-ray. Dili, oy. What I mean, Alphonse. I'm just kidding. Of course, Alphonse. Oh my God. Although I really love dogs, but hindi na po, I cannot afford na ipapalit na ako akong boyfriend sa akong dog. Although I love them both. I know how much Alphonse love Rai Rai, diba? Oh my God, ate. Of course.
Pero mas, hindi magkasubok ka lagi ni Mads.
Ang sama.
Si Rai Rai yun ako. Sige na ako, no. Let us, it's a test of friendship.
Rai Rai or ikaw?
No, a short story to tell. I think we were still in college na. Yung gibilin sa ako yung arte kasi na pabili ng giro. May pagkaon og Coco Crunch. Kasi na ikaw Coco Crunch. Ako sa Coco Crunch.
Matura pa kanila kung
goodness. Pagkaon mo irong Coco Crunch. And then
okay, next is
Samantha
Olay. The
so
pretty
adorable,
girl.
so pretty.
Hi ma'am, so my question would be, would you rather choose to see 10 minutes of your future or to look into anyone else's future apart from yourself? Let's see.
Oh my goodness. That's kind of middle sum of you if you will choose the other one. Sige, ikaw
yeah. Okay. So thank you for that question, Sam. So of course, it would be advantage for me, for us, diba, to see 10 minutes of our future because maka-prepare ta kung sa atong gusto nga future, right? But it would be a greater value if we opted to look for anyone's future. Meaning to say, you have also that brighter perspective for others, diba? Not just for yourself, diba? Murag dili ka self-centered kay ba nga, murag nabo kay brighter vision sa others, dili lang sa imong self, right? And then, what you're doing right now is for your future. You are the one creating your future, diba? Diba, Mads? Loka. This is from Kimberly Shelton. Mutya ng Buena Vista 2017-2018.
Would you rather have legs as long as your fingers or have fingers as long as your legs?
Legs ka
I would have, saan siya?
Dili ko.
I would have fingers as long as my legs. Sakto ba? Oh. Because if you will choose have legs as long as your fingers, so ang imong ibang din ang imong fingers, right? So I would rather have fingers as long as my legs.
Very insightful.
Thank you, Kimi. Kind of weird, but then again, it's quite logical.
I think that is also her way of asking how you would.
Thank you, Kimi.
How would you define
You're so
your
pretty.
Your
Yeah. So I would
for
rather
example,
have fingers as long as my.
No, you would rather have
fingers as long as my legs. Okay, this one. This is from Ronald.
Hello, Doll. The question is, who have it easier in life, men or women, and why?
Okay, who have it easier in life, men or women? Actually, guys, we are born equal, di ba? We are born equal.
I think for me, mas easy ang kanang
men or women?
For men, I think. Like, for example, kasagaran, men can actually just shop for, I think, mga only 2 minutes.
Yeah.
The girls
I go with your
need
answer.
more time, di ba? And then, when it comes to, I don't know if it still answers the question, but when it comes to decision making, kasagaran, I think the boys. Okay, but not, it is not actually generalization, but
yeah, I go with Owen's answer also. Okay, next. This is from your idol, Sir Mukbang.
With makeup or without makeup?
Most of the time, of course, with makeup. With makeup, kay para sa to, we spend more time sa atong work. Of course, we need to wear makeup. Makeup good nga, dito makeup nga pang pageant na. Ako, okay na kong lip tint, powder, and eyebrow pencil. Okay na kayo ko na. Good to go na kayo ko na permanente. So, of course, with makeup na. Hindi na tayo magpake. Ayaw na! Mag-makeup ang ganda mga artist. Nakita mga ordinaryo. Okay. Of course, Sir Mac with makeup.
Sweet or spicy?
So, next is from my loves, Gladys Alquizar. Hi!
My loves, sweet or spicy?
Okay, sweet or spicy? Of course, spicy. Spicy ko, ikaw.
Spicy? Oh, spicy.
Spicy ko, because I'm not into sweets. I'm not into sweet.
Ang sweet is makawala og gana.
Okay. Even chocolates, dili ko makaharong ka sa chocolates. Siguro gamay lang. Sweets.
Gamay lang, ano pa na?
Gamay lang. Next is from King Badger. Ay! Joshua Basul.
Si Joshua.
Eric Basul. Shout out, boy! Jorik.
What's up? Again and again. Okay. Choose between these two. Okay, girl. What if you see a stray dog? No, luoy jud kay siya ba? Would you adopt it or not? No, just for the sake of race cage. Kaya siyempre, maduha naman sila. No, so choose wisely.
Okay, King Badger of Nasipit, Joshua. King Badger ka, King Badger?
Wala.
King Badger ba lang sa ex-battalion? Wala pag-book ni Joshua. Okay, King Badger of Nasipit.
That's what you call him?
Yeah, King Badger. Badger. So, King Badger, you know how much I love dogs. So, even stray dogs, I used to call him Banaknak. But, in your given situation, my answer is, I will not adopt that dog. Yes. Actually, there's a lot of ways to help that stray dog. The best I can do is to bring the dog into a dog sanctuary, diba, Mats? Because it's not easy to raise a dog. We need to say, if you are really a dog lover, you're a great provider kung ka sa imong dog. Kung matawag yun mo ba nga, you are a fur parent. The very reason why I will not adopt that dog is that it's because I have Rai Rai. So, full duty ko kay Rai Rai dapat, Mats. Full duty ko kay Rai Rai. Nga naman, malisod na yung buhi ubo sa naman kung na i-provide man good na ko tanan sa usa ka dog. That's why para sa ko big responsibility gid ang magbuhi og dog. Did I answer your question, Joshua? So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.